Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here, and the Beamer is finally dead. Luckily, I know exactly what it is. It is the glow plugs. They finally said ta-ta on a frosty morning. And as a result of me keep trying to get it started, I've ended up killing the battery. So I now have to remove the battery so that I can get it charged and give it another go when it's a bit warmer, so I can drive it somewhere to get the glow plugs done. I'm not going to do the glow plugs myself because I'm too scared of snapping them. We want to take this screw out here, I think, just to make life easier. Remove these two nuts here as well. Right, so now we've taken that tray off, and as you can see, this is the bar I was talking about. I find this interesting. I don't know if this is from factory or not, but I did take this car in for a recall, and I'm sure it was something to do with the battery cable. I think because this looks quite new, I'm wondering if this could be the thing that they did the recall on. They put this thing in, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Some things just caught my eye. The fact that this is in the green. So the battery is, as suggested, okay. It doesn't need a recharge. So I think what I might do is disconnect the negative terminal for a few seconds and then reconnect it and see what happens. So I've got my keys at the ready, just in case it wants to go crazy at me. There we go. That's that now disconnected. Now we'll reconnect it and see what happens. So before recharging it, I'm going to see if I can start it. Right then, so let's see what happens. Yeah, and the steering lock things come up, so she really doesn't. Yeah, I think I can confirm the battery is definitely dead. Right then, so now we've got to take this bar off, that bolt, and then that bolt just under there. This bar comes out, right over there. And then before we disconnect anything, we have to loosen this. Now we'll just disconnect the terminals. So now what we want to do is we disconnect this, which is the battery discharge cable. Remove that, and then we can remove the battery, being careful of any wires around here. I'm gonna have to use both hands for this. Yeah, that's a heavy battery. Right, so after managing to lift that battery out of the car, it weighs an absolute ton. Now I'm just gonna put it on charge, leave it for a few hours, and then try it later on. Right, so the battery's been on charge for about 3 hours. We'll have to see what sort of difference this makes. The brake pedal's still rock solid, I don't know what it's going to do. But, yeah. Here we go. She's golden. Right then guys, so that is it. The car is running quite nicely, well, as nice as it can until I get the glow plugs done. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time guys, peace.